Explore the top 5 best camping stoves of 2026, where cutting-edge performance meets outdoor reliability. Stay until the end to uncover a surprising budget-friendly option that rivals premium models in power, durability, and real-world cooking efficiency. Number 5. The Gas One GS3400P, a compact dual-fuel camping stove designed for convenience, safety, and reliable outdoor cooking performance. This stove feels sturdy yet portable, with a clean layout, lightweight build, and packs easily for travel. It supports butane cartridges and propane cylinders, giving options based on availability, making it practical outdoors. The automatic piezo ignition works instantly, so you need no matches or lighters, adding convenience and speed. The adjustable heat dial allows precise control, making cooking simple for boiling water or meals. Built-in pressure sensor and gas cutoff protect users by ejecting cartridges when pressure is irregular. Overall, the GS3400P offers versatility, reliability, and safety in one portable stove, making it a great choice for campers, hikers, and emergency preparedness kits today. Number 4. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp, a premium dual-burner camping stove built for serious outdoor cooking and group adventures. Compact and cleverly designed, this stove folds neatly into its own system, making packing and transport incredibly convenient. Each burner delivers strong heat, boiling water quickly, and handling cooking tasks efficiently, even in colder outdoor conditions. Adjustable flame control lets you simmer, sauté, or boil with precision, perfect for both simple and gourmet meals outdoors. The nesting system keeps everything organized, with cookware fitting snugly into a compact carry bag. Comes with burners, pot, pan, windscreen, and accessories, offering a complete, ready-to-go cooking setup. Overall, the Genesis Basecamp stands out for power, portability, and versatility, making it ideal for campers who want a reliable, all-in-one outdoor cooking solution. Number 3. The MSR PocketRocket Deluxe, an ultralight backpacking stove designed for speed, reliability, and performance outdoors. Weighing just 2.9 ounces, this stove is incredibly compact and folds down small, making it perfect for minimalist backpackers. It boils 1 liter of water in about 3.5 minutes, maintaining efficiency even in cold weather or low fuel conditions. The push-start piezo igniter is fast and dependable, eliminating the need for matches while staying protected inside the burner. It uses isobutane propane canisters, widely available and easy to attach, ensuring consistent fuel delivery during trips. The broader burner offers great wind resistance and allows precise simmering, improving cooking control outdoors. Overall, the PocketRocket Deluxe is a powerful, lightweight choice for serious hikers and adventurers. Number 2. The Coleman Cascade 3-in-1, a versatile camping stove designed for flexible outdoor cooking. Built solidly, it includes grill and griddle attachments, offering multiple cooking styles in one compact system. With 24,000 BTUs of power, it delivers strong heat for fast cooking and consistent outdoor performance. Adjustable burners and smooth knob rotation provide precise temperature control, from gentle simmering to high heat. The recessed handle, secure latch, and carry case make it easy to pack and transport anywhere. Removable parts and a simple cooktop design make cleaning quick and hassle-free after meals. Overall, the Cascade 3-in-1 is a reliable, flexible stove perfect for campers who enjoy cooking a variety of meals outdoors. Number 1. The Camp Chef Everest 2X, a powerful and portable camping stove built for serious outdoor cooking adventures. The Everest 2X features a sturdy build with a folding lid and windscreen, making it reliable in outdoor conditions. With dual burners delivering 40,000 BTUs, this stove heats quickly and handles cooking tasks with impressive power. The matchless ignition system ensures quick startups, letting you begin cooking without any hassle or extra tools. Its spacious 215 square inch surface easily fits 2 pans, giving you flexibility for preparing multiple dishes. Compact design, carry handle, and drip tray make it easy to transport and clean after use. Overall, the Everest 2X combines strength, convenience, and performance, making it a dependable choice for campers and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Thank you for watching our top 5 best camping stoves of 2026. Share your thoughts below, And don't forget to subscribe for more expert reviews, comparisons, and outdoor gear insights every week.